Balance of power is a concept that describes how states deal with the problems of national security in a context of shifting alliances and alignments. The balance system is produced by the clustering of related individual national interests in opposition to those of other states. The system originates when revisionist states threaten the security of the status quo powers. The balance of power concept in the relations of states can be expressed in terms of a power equation. The factors on each side of the equation may be in a situation of approximate equilibrium, or one side may possess a temporary preponderance of power over the other. Because states are sovereign and seek to maximize their individual national interests, the balance of power is normally in a condition of flux. A state may also pursue a conscious balance of power policy, as Great Britain did during the 19th century. Great Britain viewed her interests as best served by playing the role of balancer, to maintain equilibrium of power on the continent, shifting her weight to the weaker side when the equilibrium was threatened. The balance of power phenomenon pervades international politics and is the central feature in the power struggle. It is the net effect, or result, produced by a state system in which the independent sovereign members are free to join, or to refrain from joining, alliances and alignments, as each seeks to maximize its security and to advance its national interests. The balance of power is not conscious expression of a general interest in an abstraction, such as peace, since peace may or may not serve individual national interests, depending on the time, place, and situation. The balance of power has no central organization to guide it, and the combinations of states that comprise the balance are usually characterized by shifting membership, brief duration, and limited objectives. A multiple balance of power prevailed from the 17th to the mid-20th centuries. It was dominated by shifting combinations of at least 5 great powers, which tended to ensure flexibility, limited objectives, and the continued existence of the participants. A simple or bipolar balance emerged after World War II, however, dominated by the Soviet Union and the United States. Such a configuration of the balance is inherently dangerous since it reduces flexibility, polarizes interests around issues that divide the superpowers, and minimizes opportunities for realignment. The fraying of Cold War alliances and the development of polycentrism on both sides of the power equation, however, seem to have brought a return to a multiple balance configuration. The international balance of power mechanism, whether simple or complex, is likely to prevail unless, or until worldwide political power is reorganized on a basis other than that of a decentralized system of independent sovereign states.